Well, we just had snowstorm turkeys the other day. I guess we're gonna have a snowstorm and turkeys today too. And here they come from the boneyard. Herpity-doo, one by one. Stealing bird feed out of the bird feeders, which the deer already emptied most of it last night. And this is the Great Grandmaster Steve at Great Grandmaster Park. And it's another day at the office. Over here we got the biggies. There's the big toms are over here. And bustling over there. There's a big tom right here up on the stump. He's probably gonna jump off. Boom. Nice beard on him. And some toms down there. Beards dragging on the ground. And over here, they're gonna find the bread now. I knew they were coming. I knew they were coming. So, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my day, and I hope everybody else does too. And this is the Great Grandmaster Steve. Until next time. Nice turkeys. Nice turkeys.